The Energy Invitational is a competition. It's basically a race to see who can make the cart that will finish within a certain amount of the time in the most efficient way possible. So it's all about energy conservation.
You make something and then at the end of the day you get to go in and drive it. And it's like, whoa, that worked. All the hard work paid off and it fit all the requirements. So it was a very exciting experience.
I spent hours just like designing and like 3D modeling the whole thing. We fabricated it all from scratch, and I'm proud of how unique our car is in the competition.
The more work you put in and the more attitude you give towards this project, it'll do better and expectations will be exceeded.
It was a lot of determination and perseverance between me and Jose. I mean, we had a bunch of obstacles and it all was just amazing to see that project came through in the end and worked beautifully.
As a student, has a pretty fixed mindset on what I want to do in the future. It's really important that I'm able to cultivate that knowledge.
I'm proud that I stuck through because most people in the football program don't do T-Tech and they usually quit around their second, third year. So I'm just proud I got to be here and learn from Mr. Hernandez.
You can't really get this anywhere else. It's one of a kind.
There's showing up to physics class, and then there's having a real world applicable project that where your learning in physics actually applies to, and that just kind of keeps you engaged throughout all your classes.